everyone, my name is Ulpa. I'm in the 5th grade. Today I want to tell you about my family. I live with my mom and dad. I'm an only child, so I spend a lot of time with them. My dad is very kind and funny. He plays games with me and always make me smile. And we like playing board game and video game together at home. My mom is really sweet and caring. She cooks delicious food for me, especially my favorite spicy noodles. We often go to the mart together, and I like helping her pick out groceries. Sometimes she takes me to the amusement park, and we have a great time. My parents always support me and make me feel happy and loved. I'm very thankful to have such a wonderful family. Thanks for listening.